Unlocking insights, how clustering helps solve complex problems, Insta Data Help Analytics Services. Unlocking insights, how clustering helps solve complex problems. In today's data-driven world, businesses and organizations are constantly faced with complex problems that require innovative solutions. Clustering is a method of organizing data into groups or clusters based on similarities, allowing analysts to unlock valuable insights and make informed decisions. Understanding clustering. Clustering is a machine learning technique that aims to group similar data points together based on their characteristics or attributes. Applications of clustering. Customer segmentation. Clustering is widely used in marketing to segment customers based on their preferences, behaviors, or demographics. Image and text analysis. Clustering algorithms can be applied to analyze and categorize images or text documents. Fraud detection. Clustering can be employed to detect fraudulent activities by identifying unusual patterns or outliers in transaction data. Anomaly detection. Clustering can also be used to detect anomalies in various domains, such as network traffic, manufacturing processes, or medical diagnosis. Limitations of clustering. Subjectivity. Clustering results can be subjective and dependent on the choice of distance metric, initialization, or stopping criteria. Sensitivity to parameters. Clustering algorithms often require the specification of parameters, such as the number of clusters or the distance threshold. Scalability. Although clustering algorithms are scalable, they may still face challenges when dealing with extremely large datasets or high-dimensional data. Conclusion. Clustering is a powerful technique that helps solve complex problems by organizing data into meaningful groups based on similarities. Clustering offers several benefits, such as pattern discovery, scalability, flexibility, and unbiased analysis. Thanks for watching.